Now, through the ages, the image of the mother and child remain iconic. Now, why not? Of course, without mothers having children, and safely too, mankind will soon fizzle out. Take a look at this report.
There used to be one born every 5 seconds. Now, there are 4 of them born every second. Babies, that is. And just how important a baby is in the circle of life? Well, they're important enough to the Lagos State government to have it establishing specialist centers for them and their mummies across the state. At the last count, there were 11 of these maternal child centers, or MCCs, as they're popularly known, already up and running. The MCC at Ifako Ijaye comes fitted out with up-to-date medical infrastructure and equipment and boasts a roster of tested and committed professionals, a place where the expectant can receive every possible help in navigating the delicate course from conception to birth and beyond.
In all honesty, I cannot say you can compare with a private hospital because the setting is world-class standard. And I really want to thank the Almighty God, for this kind of super innovation given to His Excellency. If you really look at this laudable project, it has really helped a lot. And with the standard, it's incomparable. And that is why we have a very huge surge, not only from this community alone, but even from outside this community, outside Lagos State, especially Ogun State, and even people coming from the eastern part of the country. It has put smiles on the faces of so many families because if you take care of a woman, you are taking care of a nation, as they used to say. And it's not only the woman, but as well the child. So to me, I know it's not even only the people that will really appreciate this project. I believe the heaven also will appreciate this man for this kind of projects.
What we've been able to achieve is also a reflection of the commitment the government has put into health sector. Health has always featured in all our 10-point agenda. Even whatever programs the state government and the back government is the major priority of government. In terms of infrastructure, to start with, we embarked over the last couple of years on building infrastructure in the health sector at the 3 levels of the health sector: primary care level, the secondary care level, and the tertiary level.
Of course, every journey has its different stages, and good beginnings usually bear glad tidings for the rest of the trip.
The nurses are so friendly, and the midwife and even the doctors, anytime we come here, they always treat you as, with sense of belonging, and you don't feel, when you go to before now they used to say when you come to hospital, they shout at you, that one scared me. But since I've been coming here, no one has shouted at me, and I have been so happy. Whenever you ask questions, they just direct you, and you have no big problem.
Wow, what I can say is that the service here is perfect, is excellent. In fact, they have really impressed me. Nobody will come here and go disappointed. Before now, we used to have this impression about general hospitals that they have this maybe nonchalant attitude of attending to patients, and the place is not always conducive. But now it's a different ball game. The place is like a home on its own.
And it's a relationship that will carry on through the weeks and months, leading to the moment where joy and pain come together.
When I was coming from the theater, I was having pains. But under 5 minutes, I came here, they started attending to me, giving me different drugs. Like before that, they will abandon you, in general hospital that they say people are many. But now, and the environment you can see is very neat. You see the difference. I'm really impressed. Give kudos to the Lagos State government. They are really trying. Lagos is working.
and God will help us. Lagos State is trying on training and retraining so that we can come out with better services to our patients to what it used to be in the past. So, but then there are rooms for improvements, which we are working on.
Women should not die in pregnancy at all, because the death of a woman is a calamity to the community as a whole, not just to the family alone. So the efforts of the government in trying to build this sort of MCC in several areas of the state in order to cater for our women is actually a laudable idea, and it's actually helped a lot, because we now have a lot of more women now coming out of their shelves to utilize the facilities.
An occasion for gratitude then. Thanks are also due for the care available to the newborn who have arrived considerably earlier than expected. Still, as journeys end, new ones begin, and even the newborn grow into young children. And we all know about children and the things that ail them, don't we? Or thankfully, the staff at the MCC do know and know what to do. Similar services are also being run at the MCC in Ikorodu, which have the distinction of being the first.
Our government has done very well in line with the MDG numbers 4 and 5, that is reduction of child mortality and improvement of maternal health. Now people in Ikorodu, they know where to come. Mothers and children. We have a glut of patients here. They come here every day. And they've named, there's that stupendous edifice there, the Maternal and Child Center. Our patients have dubbed it Europe. They refer to the whole hospital as Africa. So there is clamor for patients. They want to come here and see what is going on. Everybody wants to see the MCC. And the MCC is ever filled up.
Even those that have attended private hospitals, they still come here. And when you see them compare what they have done so far with what we have on ground for them, I think we are doing very well.
Clean and well organized, with the management staff up and doing in carrying out their duties.
At least there is one MCC per division of Lagos State, and it has really helped in reducing the maternal mortality rate. If only our people can make use of the facility that has been provided for them. And also, if you look at the structure of the building, you see that there are some people that feel, this kind of building they are using general hospital, I'm not used to it, but I can convince you that some people have been here to use this facility just because of the structure.
I really like this place because even, let's say, from the registration to everything, it was nice, and the doctors were friendly. Even the nurses, they were friendly to me.
Mothers, babies, children. They matter a lot in the sphere of human existence, and Lagos State, like other visionary administrations, knows that the path to greatness will be problematic if these ones on whose shoulders the future lies are not strong and healthy enough for the task.
Okay, you know what? Kids sure know how to have fun, and they know how to have it very, very well. It's usually an exciting and interesting moment for them. And of course, that was the same thing that happened at Eleko Beach.
It's the festive season, and we know what that means. Parties everywhere, and even into the new year. Parties in the city and other more exotic locations. For instance, the Eleko Beach that came alive when a fiesta was hosted for the children of Ibejuleki. The children turned out in their numbers, all decked out in their bright colors, and they indulged themselves in some face painting which put them in the mood for the occasion.
Hey
Soon it is time to get their groove on. Indeed, it was great fun for the children.
I'm just catching my phone. At least being out of school, I can have fun. It's a very good party. I'm having fun. The Almighty God bless our senator. He will live long to life. We will know that he will help the society to be a good society.
There were also games to spice things up.
Did I say go? Charlie, if you say I make a fool, I listen.
Of course, the children had some of their elders to keep them company and join in the fun.
The whole idea of them coming here to enjoy themselves is for them to, be better in their academics, in their morals, and the parents, we as parents are going to really support them to get this done.
The beach side makes the party more livelier, and the children are catching their fun.
For the children, we just say we wish them a prosperous new year, which they go and they get successful in their education, and they see the senator, they want to be as excellent as he has become.
If there's going to be any party, I would rather want to feast the children. The children in my area of jurisdiction cannot be referred to as privileged children, because I come from an agrarian community. So you can see that their parents are with them, they are happy, they have never seen this before. What they are seeing, they are participating in today, they always see on TV. And they are overwhelmed. And they are saying, is this going to be the last one, or you are going to give us another one next year? I have promised that it is going to be an annual event. The children have been told that you must respect yourselves, listen to your parents, do well in school, fear God, and by the time the results come and you have excelled, you will be rewarded. Part of the reward is this gathering.
The children had a good time and are certain to take with them fond memories of their fiesta at the beach.
Wow. Merry Christmas,
Wow, wish I could stay much longer, but I have to sign off now, and I'll see you again next week, God willing, same day, same time. And of course, I won't be leaving you without leaving you with this sights and sound from the Lagos countdown to usher in year 2014. Happy New Year again, stay focused and stay out of trouble. I'm Loretta Chiogo. On behalf of the entire Dateline Lagos crew, we're saying Happy New Year. Bye-bye.